Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a currency converter to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first, what we need to do is we need to head over to our settings, and basically we have an option in here that you can use potentially for currency conversion, and that is by adding different language markets. So if you head over to your markets, you can incorporate in here. You can see we have United States primary, and currently these are the markets that are added. But still, if you want to add a currency converter, you can incorporate an integration application for that specifically. But this should do the work, since this is the you can see the conversion rate and all that stuff is available in here. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.